Fucking hell. Mate, you won't fucking believe what I just got on my rear camera. The dumbest fucking bitch. I'm sitting in the shade cells near Aram Kebab. Thank God I got that on camera and I've saved it. The dumbest fucking bitch drove right over one of those concrete fucking barriers, man. The diamond concrete things in the middle. Fuck, she went fucking up in the air. Luckily she's pulled the car off it. Fucking what a bad driver. Now she's coming up beside me.